Thomas here of Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. Today we are once again building something from the world of Skyrim. If you haven't watched my guard helmet build, definitely go back and watch it. It's using a material, Easter egg, that maybe you don't expect, and I was thinking of other ways that I could do something similar. So I am going to attempt to make a shield using window blinds. Yeah. Today we are going to attempt to make an Imperial light shield using window blinds as a base. Let's get to building. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, extremely pleased with the way it turned out. It is kind of heavy. I would say probably around 5 pounds or so, which is a lot heavier than my normal props. I am a bit of a shield collector, I guess, at this point. I've got several of them already. This would make like 6 or 7 that I now own. It will not be for sale. I'm kind of obsessed with things like this. And I just wanted to point a couple of things out to you so that you understand. The reason I sandwiched a piece of beadboard in between the blinds is to give it structure, because the blinds themselves are a little flimsy, and I wasn't sure if I was going to put a back end on it or not in terms of detail, but I went ahead and did that. So it definitely added some weight to it. So it is very, very sturdy. That being said, I don't know that this would necessarily be con safe or even LARP safe because of the weight, and I don't know. Whatever your regulations are for whatever it is you're going to, be aware of that. But the thing I do want to point out that I didn't show in the video, the foam is plasti dipped. The blinds, plasti dip does not stick to it, so I had to go in with some spray paint specific for plastics and vinyls and stuff, and spray inside here, so I had to mask off. I didn't show that step, but that is what happened. So just so you're clear on that, make sure that the materials that you're using the proper primers and sealants so that you get a good adhesion when you're doing your paint jobs. But other than that, I really like the way it turned out. Maybe you will try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your resourcefulness for using random materials that your family saves up for you because they think that you're going to need it for some random project that you don't know in a foreseeable future, but you go ahead and do it anyways and take all the stuff and just kind of let it accumulate into your man cave. No? Just me? Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these, tell them much props. Have you ever been hit with a shield? Imperial style? Here you go.